Disco rolling in the cash after writing a song about this. It is such a fun R&B hit, and I cannot wait to play this in full next. It's called Neo. We play the R&B hits you love. And this will be in full just after 2 o'clock.
Are you destined for greatness? Are you destined for riches? Today offends the chosen one will be found. Chosen one. The chosen one. You've already won $50,000. You just don't know it yet. Register at todayfm.com.au and listen January 18th for Husey, Ed and Erin Molan, only on Sydney's 104.1 Today FM.
Pretty schmick hire car, Sarge. Yep, I had a prank, and as it wasn't my fault, Budget Direct gave me this lovely hire car while they repair the damage. Much better than...
You like that one, sweethearts?
To be honest, I think it smells much better than that.
G'day viewers, Clint Long's Fishing Adventures.
Budget Direct will provide you
Down
with
in the
a hire
Perth
car
2
while
days
you
in a
get
row.
prepared.
Still on
Budget
Christmas
Direct.
break.
Insurance solved. Insurance issued by Auto and
Got the
General
floats
Insurance
out there, if
Company
you can
Limited.
see them in the water.
Read PDS available from us to decide.
Couple of herring already.
Budget
Trying for some mullet and herring.
Hey, it's Dylan Alcott, and alongside my best mate Angus,
See how I go.
launched a podcast profiling
Pretty
the
quiet.
lives of people living with or affected by disability. People like me.
Except for one boat coming up the river at the moment. He'll swing past and shake the fucker out of me boat, as always.
Listen free by downloading the Podcast One Australia app.
Brought to you by Mabel.com.au, connecting people with a disability to local independent support workers.
Podcast One.
Is that a better
It's
side?
back to school at Big W. And to help get them ready in time,
There I go.
with brilliant basic snitch shorts or skorts just $6 each. Save $4
drink.
plus assorted backpacks just $10. Big W. Every day's a big day. Range by day by store. Offers in January 27 while stocks last.
You did it. You finally finished school. And now, the tricky part. Where to study
Dam
next?
must have closed.
How about MIT Sydney?
Water's not up as
They've
far.
got great courses that give you a real-world experience. Degrees with industry
Did I?
experience in cybersecurity, digital marketing, accounting, and loads more. They even have
Not
scholarships.
flowing as
and
fast
no
as it
later.
was yesterday either.
I guess it's not really that tricky after all. Get the experience you need to succeed in the real world.
Might be a reason
with
for
MIT
the
Sydney.
fish
Check
quietness,
them out.
maybe.
mit.edu.au.
Life is pretty convenient nowadays. From
But
smartphones
still,
to self-driving cars.
caught a
and
couple of herring
Aldi's
already,
free
so that's
chicken
alright.
split
Haven't come
chicken.
out for nothing.
Now only $4.99 per kilo. I wish I had taste buds. Aldi, so different. 2020, forget about it. It's all about 2021. And what better way to start the new year than with a new, enjoy something mind-blowing. Something from lovehoney.com.au and treat yourself to huge savings.
I've just got a couple of little herring. Yeah, that's alright. Haven't come out for nothing.
Save on new toys. But hurry, this sale
Hey,
ends
bud.
January 11th. So visit lovehoney.com.au and say yes to a year of sexual happiness.
Wake up with the Today FM morning crew, Husey, Ed and Erin Molan from January 18 and get that fun feeling.
Today FM News Briefing.
Good afternoon, I'm Shane Joyce with a national
Good
news
afternoon,
briefing.
I'm
The
Shane
Prime
Roy.
Minister has described the coronavirus threat in Brisbane as serious, with the greater metro area going into a 3-day lockdown from 6 o'clock tonight. It's to help contact tracers find anyone who may have been exposed to the mutant UK strain that a hotel cleaner has been infected with. Scott Morrison says the
Coronavirus.
lockdown is a cautious
I'm over it.
and sensible
Walking to the
approach.
shopping centres with a mask on. I'm over it.
That we do not see this go to the next level.
And for the first time, the Commonwealth has declared Greater Brisbane as a COVID hotspot.
Anyhow,
Chief Medical Officer Paul
I'll
Kelly
keep
says
fishing
that
away.
means
If anyone has been
Thanks for
in
tuning in.
Brisbane since the
Don't
2nd
forget
of
to like
the
and
Greater Brisbane
subscribe
area
if you're wondering
since the
about the
2nd of
band
this
aid.
month,
I
wherever
hooked
you
myself,
are, you should
good and
assume
proper.
that those
Had to get the pliers to get the bloody thing out.
for
That
those
was fun.
people in that
But anyway.
area now apply
Eh, eh.
to you.
and there are some
Thanks for
changes
watching.
coming in for